Hey guys, I'm Surbhi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a skincare routine for beginners. If you're really looking forward to start your skincare journey or you're on a skincare journey and want to change some products and need some good recommendations. So stay tuned because that's what we are doing today. Step is cleanser. So right now I'm using this cleanser from Hyphen. Moisturizing creamy cleanser which really moisturizes the skin. Actually it does, and it is a very lightweight texture. It doesn't really feel heavy on the skin, so this one is really good. So I was using Dot & Key one before. I think it was the Sika face wash. It's really good. You can try other variants by them as well. They're really good, but currently I'm using this and I'm liking it. Up is the toner, which is important. You must do it. You can see by the condition of it how much I have used it. It's the one by Dot & Key. It's the watermelon toner. I can't read out the name because it's being overused, so it's gone, the name. Really hydrating. I've got this one also by Plum. It's the rice water and niacinamide toner. I've been using it for the past 2 days. When it comes to skincare, I'm like नया नया ढूंढो, नया नया ढूंढो. मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाती हूँ. So this is the one I got recently. दिन हुए मुझे इसे use करते हुए, and it's good. It's really hydrating. You just have to spray it on your face. Next up are the serums. And I use three serums: vitamin C serum, niacinamide serum, and the hyaluronic acid serum. I said it in the first go. Wow. Niacinamide one, I use these by Ordinary. दोनों खत्म हो चुके हैं. I've ordered another one. Really good. Really, really good. Very lightweight. And if you're a beginner, you can definitely check it out. So this one is by L'Oreal, the Revitalift serum. इसकी भी दो ख़त्म हो चुकी हैं. थर्ड वन इज़ हियर. मैं छोटी मंगाती हूँ क्योंकि ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली होती है एंड इट्स ईजी टू यूज़. बहुत बिग, बहुत बल्कि होती है. स्टेप आई यूज़ द विटामिन सी सीरम फ्रॉम बायोटीक. Very good. Works good for me. I really like it. The sunscreen, I swear by this one by Dot & Key. It's the only sunscreen I use. The only sunscreen I use. Very lightweight, no white cast. Really good. It also comes in other variants like the watermelon sunscreen, barrier repair sunscreen, but I just love this. I can't do without this. So yeah, that's about it. These are the products I use. I really love them. For me, I'm a skincare lover. I just keep trying to, look out for new things. I really get bored of stuff really easy, be it makeup or skincare. मुझे चाहिए कि एक चीज़ खत्म हुई. I just don't want to repurchase it as long as I really, really love it. Like the serums, I really love them. I just look out for new things like different ingredients, different packaging. Packaging तो I love the most. वो देख के मैं आधे से ज़्यादा चीज़ें मंगा लेती हूँ and use नहीं करती, but most of the time करती हूँ. So for some new products for your skincare routine, do check them out there. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.